tenacity and pursuit, and we can all take that to our own lives as we embark on this school year in striving to be courageous and only adhering to our own excellence. To lead the student body of our community, I now invite Eliza Hart, as our school captain, to talk through her address and what that means to be courageous and striving for excellence. Thank you.
Firstly, I'd like to thank Father Martin and our special guests, along with all of you, for being here today. I'd like to take a brief moment to address you all today and welcome you to the 2024 school year. As most of you are all aware, courage is one of our 5 C's here at Xavier, and it becomes essential when striving for excellence. Throughout this 2024 school year, it will look different for each and every one of us depending on what stage we're in our Xavier High School careers. For our teachers, it could be teaching a new class, a new subject, a senior subject for the first time, or even being at a new school for the fresh faces you'll see around the room today. We all remember what it's like to be a new Year 7 student at Xavier and how courage underpins everything, especially in this first term. Whether it's making new friends, navigating the school grounds, or adjusting to a new school routine, all relies on courage. For our Year 8 students, it's being in different classes for the first time and exploring new subjects. For our Year 9s, it's navigating friendships and completing completely new elective classes. For our Year 10s, it's a more senior experience with the stress of what to wear to formal and which dance steps go in which order. For our Year 11s, it's a step up from Year 7 to 10 and a whole new experience of subjects, guidelines, rules and preliminary exams. And for our Year 12s, it's the stress of finding it in yourself to keep persisting in your subjects, along with having the courage to go out into the world when school finishes later this year. Despite differences in the forms of courage we will all take throughout 2024, there are a few things that apply to all of us. Having the courage to keep trying when it seems too much, having the courage to be yourselves, and having the courage to ask for help if you need it. Whilst our experiences this year may be different, a lot of them are ones other people at this school will be familiar with and can empathise with. So don't forget to talk to your peers and teachers and the people around you so we can all help each other to strive for excellence and be courageous at Xavier in 2024. Courage exists in all of us, but a courageous people will always be stronger than one courageous person. Thank you.